Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw business supplies expense thresholds and keep receipts organized step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific business supplies that you need to keep track of. Next, determine the expense thresholds for your business supplies. These thresholds will help you categorize expenses as necessary or excessive. Once you have your threshold set, begin collecting receipts for each purchase. Organize your receipts by date and category. You can use physical folders or digital tools for better organization. Make sure to clearly label each folder with the corresponding category. If you're using digital tools, consider scanning your receipts for easy access. After organizing your receipts, input the data into a spreadsheet or accounting software. Be sure to include the date, amount, category, and vendor for each expense. Regularly review your expenses to ensure you remain within your thresholds. This will help you make informed financial decisions for your business. Set a routine to update your records weekly or monthly. This consistent practice will prevent backlogs and disorganization. Finally, keep all your organized receipts in a secure location. This serves as documentation for tax purposes and audits. By following these steps, you'll maintain an efficient system for managing your business supplies expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.